Oh Lord, man, I done reached 100 followers. Oh Lord. Yo, what is up YouTube? Thank you guys once again for tuning into my channel. And if this is your first time tuning into my channel, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you clicking on this video. Real quick, man, I just reached over 100 subscribers. And that to me is kind of huge. I know there's some people that might not be as big as a milestone, but to me that's I got 100 followers, and that's all thanks to you guys. I just want to take this time out to thank every single last one of you who supported me, reached out to me on Facebook, my Instagram, and even on YouTube. Thank you guys for the support. Somebody call my mama, tell her I made it. What I wanted to do is ask you guys what you guys want to see on the next couple of videos for the YouTube channel. Whether that be maybe tutorials, beat making sessions, or whatever it is. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see next, and I'll try to get that through to you on the next video. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. What am I saying? I have no idea. Okay. Oh, before I let y'all go though, since you're in the family, only because you're family though, I'm gonna let y'all in on one of my secrets. Come on. This app is one of the apps that I use to eliminate producer's block or writer's block or creator's block, whatever you want to call it. It helps me get some more ideas out, and this is a good way to improve your workflow. So peep this, watch this. So this app is called Orpheon, and Orpheon is a pad-based app too. Orpheon is actually a bunch of pads, and you can actually see their notes, names here on the pads, and they're touch sensitive. They can either be randomized or they can even be categorized into these categories here down at the bottom. So you have different modes that you can toggle through. They're literally randomized, these pads. And when I said that they were touch sensitive, they are reactive to the way you touch them. So if you tap them a certain way, they do change the sound. And this app is super fun to play with. So I believe this app is available on the iPhone as well as the iPad. One of my favorite modes is the harmonic minor mode, because it's so easy to play, and even if you don't know how to play an instrument, this is easy to get some more ideas out too. And start melodies and get some more ideas out too. So that was just a little secret app of mine. Shh, don't tell nobody. Just keep it in the family. So once again, y'all, I just want to thank you guys for rocking with me. I hope that I've been bringing you guys value in this journey for music making. Again, don't forget to let me know what you guys want to see in the future videos, and I hope to see you guys for the next milestone. And hopefully I'll be able to see you guys in the next milestone. Maybe it'll be 500 subscribers from now. Who knows? Let's see. So I just want to keep continuing to give you guys good content and give you something valuable. The main goal is that you leave this channel better at making beats and inspired to create more music. And if I'm doing that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you stay subscribed, share these videos, and let's keep the family growing. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for tuning in. This has been Brandon Rico, and I'm out for the day. Peace.